If you've been looking for a powerful yet easy to use cryptocurrency platform, you've probably heard of Bybit, guys. But what is it? And why are millions of traders switching to Bybit now? Let's break it down. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bybit. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, it has quickly established itself as one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. And it is built to serve both the beginners and the professional traders as well. So from its sleek, intuitive interface to its advanced trading tools, Bybit offers a complete platform for every level of trader. Now guys, on the homepage, users can easily access the spot markets, the derivatives, and more. You can go ahead and head on over here. Okay, if you click on trades, so you have the spot, the futures, options, trading portals. Let me go ahead and click on spot right here. That way you will be able to see how it actually looks like. Now guys, this is the centralized exchange that I personally use. Okay, for all my trades, for all of the finance stuff that I do, for all the earnings and all that, I am telling you, there's a lot more features that will definitely benefit you and get you more profits than just trading alone. Okay, so trading, I mean, this has everything. Everything trading, it has it all here. And guys, aside from that, I would strongly recommend, of course, that you go ahead and check them out. Click the link in the description of the video. Head on over to Bybit, register your account, and then see the power of this one. I will definitely create more information, more videos that will tell you more ways on basically how you will be able to earn here in Bybit. So,
our sponsor for today will help you find leads even in those darkest places. Lead Sniper has been doing this for a long time, guys, helping out marketers just like myself. So if you need targeted data that actually converts, Lead Sniper is your best bet. So they have Google Maps Scraper, Google Search Scraper, Yellow Page Scraper, and they have a lot more tools that are coming out. So go ahead and check them out. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Let's continue.
So this is how the spot look like. Okay, you have the futures. Let me go ahead and just show that to you real quick, right? So for the leverage, you will be able to get and adjust your leverages right here. So you have up to 100x. And of course, I would recommend that you do your own research, get versed with technical analysis first. That way you will be able to increase the possibility of you getting more wins than your losses, okay? Now, guys, at its core, Bybit provides a full range of trading features. Users could also engage in spot trading, the future contracts, and the options with the leverages that I showed you that goes up to 100x available for the advanced strategies. Now, for those that are still learning, Bybit's Testnet demo account also allows the risk-free practice environment that I would strongly recommend that you beginners use for you to sharpen your skills in trading before you head on to the real world and invest your real money. Okay, the automation is in another area of Bybit as well. Okay, you have here in tools, you have the copy trading, trade GPT, trading bot, you have the leaderboard, trading view, and all those good stuff. I would highly recommend check them out. I also created a totally different video for those that are highlighting how you will be able to check them out, what you can do, and the things that you will be able to do inside Bybit. So automation is also another area where Bybit excels. Okay, the platform offers trading bots, the one that I showed you, like the grid and the DCA. Okay, it is designed to automate the strategies and reduce the emotional trading errors. Okay, now for those who prefer to follow the experts, the copy trading feature is also available right here. Okay, copy trader. Now, beyond trading, guys, Bybit empowers users to earn while they hold. So the Bybit Earn is the one that I always use. Okay, the Bybit Earn section includes the savings, the staking, and the dual asset investment, and it is right here. So if you click on that one, it will take you here. Now, this one, guys, I would highly recommend that you explore because this is going to be instant passive income. Okay, so you also have additional features like Bybit card, the NFT marketplace, and the Web3 wallet is also available here. And you could expand the ecosystem far beyond trading. So not only, guys, not only do you get access to Bybit and the leverage, but you will also get to experience Bybit Sharks, which will give you free access to their free alpha Telegram group that is coming very, very soon. So guys, again, go ahead and check them out. The registration link is in the description of the video. Just go ahead and click on it. You will be taken to the registration page. And of course, security, guys, remains central for Bybit. With the proof of reserve audits, the cold storage, the two-factor authentication, and that anti-phishing measures, it ensures the peace of mind of all the traders. And with the innovation, the trust, and the user focus, Bybit stands as a true leader in the cryptocurrency space. So you got to go ahead and check them out, guys. See for yourself. Again, the link to this will be in the description of the video. Do your own research. This rocks. In my honest opinion, this is the best centralized exchange out there. And if you're new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.